Hey, another video about the Razz here. Last time we made a video, we found a cylinder been messed up by installation by yours truly. The C-clip must have come loose, bounced around a little bit. I did some filing, put it back together, and it started. It ran. It sounded kind of, I don't know, sounded a little off, a little raspy. Rode it maybe a mile now, if that. Lost power. I didn't want to come back home, and so here we are, and decided we're going to take it apart and take a look at it. So what I've done is obviously the plastic's off, and I've pulled off everything, including the head and cylinder. Let's see, my carburetor's just hanging here. And I want to show you what I've done and where we're at. And then we're going to kind of move through this a little. So, at any rate, I hope that works all right. Here you can see I've taken the cylinder and the head and my head gasket. So the first thing is, I don't know what that gooey stuff is, but if I put my finger in it, yeah, something tells me that it's a little oil maybe mixed with pieces of my cylinder wall. So you can see, where's the light? That looks like it's there's my cylinder. I don't know if you can see it really well, but maybe it's got that residue near the top, obviously, where there's a little space. Exhaust port. It's got a good. It's kind of dirty, oily. And now, I wish I had a rag. Here's one. Now, we're going to look here. So you can see there's the cylinder, there's the piston. And it's got a little deposits on the top. And it's, there's my arrow towards the exhaust. And pretty oily. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but it's kind of wiggly side to side. So I think what I need to do is take the piston off, and then see if it is wiggling, because there's the little wrist pin that has a little play in it. So I'm going to shut the video off, and with a pair of pliers I'm going to take out the C-clip, not let it fall down in that little well again, and then take off that piston and jiggle my rod and see if that came out wrong. At any rate, that's what I plan to do. So I'll be back.